In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Delegate in x.com, also known as Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to give someone else access to help manage your account. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation bar. At the bottom or lower part of that menu, click on More. This will open up additional account options and settings. Next, from the menu that appears, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account preferences, security options, and access controls. After that, click on Security and Account Access. This section contains important tools for protecting your account and managing who can access it. Now look for the option called Delegate and click it. This is the area where you can manage delegation settings for your X account. Once you're on the Delegate page, simply toggle the switch on. When the button is turned on, Delegate will be enabled for your account. And that's it. You've now turned on Delegate in x.com or Twitter. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel for easy step-by-step guides.